Alright, we're doing the front brakes on a 2012 Yukon Denali. And first what we're going to do is we're going to take the caliper off. This bolt here is actually the caliper bolt. It's actually a 19, and the actual bracket bolt is an 18. So what we'll do is we'll just start by taking those off. Okay. And squeeze the caliper just a little bit, and then you should be able to get the caliper right out. Okay, and then hang it someplace. I'm gonna set mine right here. You can hang it here, but that A-arm I think is fine. Put it on the bolt here and just pull. Looks like that has a little thread locker on it, and then the other one. Okay. There we go. And then the bracket should come free. Okay. Alright, so with the bracket, we're just going to remove the old brake pads, which these aren't so bad. We're just going to get rid of it. And he got new hardware, so we're going to install new hardware, and then we're going to replace all this hardware with new. And then what we're going to do, the last thing we're going to do is we're going to take these sleeves and we're going to take the pins and we're going to clean it out. Okay, all we're going to do is we're going to take some brake clean. We're going to shoot this up like so. There we go, nice and clean. Okay, I'm going to make sure it's super clean, because you can tell it's got stuff on it. And then I'm going to take some of this ceramic brake parts paste, and then we're just going to dabble it just a little bit. Don't go crazy. Just dabble a little bit, like so, like that, and then we're going to slide it back in like that, and we'll do the other one, and that should be it. And when that moves freely, replace the hardware, and we should be good to go. Took the old rotor off, cleaned it, this new one, and put it on. And I'm not really installing the screw right here because, well, it took me a while to get it out, because whoever put it back in last time really boogered it up and left it in there. So I'm using a nut to hold it on as I reassembled the bracket. Here we go. So first, let's put the bracket back on. Let's see if we can line this up. Okay, so let's get. Okay, and then squeeze the caliper. And now, after putting the brake pads on, we're going to put the caliper back on, and it should fit inside those brackets right there. There we go. And then the caliper bolts go in. Like so, and then pretty much put the wheel back on, and then we are done. Thank you.